This is the We Are Memory Keepers Heidi Swap cinch. It's basically the same cinch as the normal We Are Memory Keepers binding machine. The only difference is that it does punch square holes here. You can make many different projects with it, mini books, notebooks, anything that you like that you can then bind. So I'm going to show you how it comes. So here are the instructions. And here is the binding machine. It works absolutely great. It has this lock, so you can hold down this handle here, very soft grip. You have centimeters and inches, and you can just add your notebook, and then by pressing down it will add the holes to it. I'm going to show you here in another video how I made a planner with it. Actually, you can make your own planners, which is convenient. Here is a mechanism to add your coil and your paper into the coils, so that you can then add it here to this mechanism. I absolutely love the cinch because you can make so many things with it. Mini albums, you can make everything you want really, and I really highly recommend it.